tickles your fancy. I find it blunt, does me wonders. Should I feel anti? I digress. I'm kufe futin slay. Maskulume. Fuck the camaraderie. See him beast into hulu.
What's up? It's your boy DJ OB Gwala. You know what it is, man. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year 2026. Be here, bruh. Just here to let you know, man, there's so much that's coming through. There's a hit plan that's coming through. I've been hinting about a hit plan for some time now. I'm finally happy to say we're going to have a production house now. We're going to be shooting hit plans. We're going to be 2 nights. We're going to be going through hip-hop shit, the culture itself. We're going to be talking about my top 10. We're going to be talking about my top work rappers. Like, we're going to go crazy in hit plan, man. I'm excited about this. In the bitch vibes, ushering the new year. You know how it is, man. A lot of things are coming. Masterclass podcast is also coming through, man. We're doing so much, man. Keep in touch with us. Follow us on our social media platforms. I'm just here, though, for your hit plans, guys. There's already top 5 that's going to be out soon, right? That's what hit plans is about. Tell them the honest truth, level. So we're going to share plans and talk about it. It's coming, alright? So yeah, man, ushering the new year. You know what it is. DJ OB Gwala signing in. You know what it is. Till the next time, follow us, Yonkin Down. We out.
Man, from a city where we leave nothing a chance. I'm cool to the trenches. We stay plotting, prepping a canvas. To earn these stripes, ngakudlutugela ngikwakhe impubuhlo. In retrospect, I've been that new age puzo sugar. Muzo ikhatha negoduka hobamba iqine. These underwhelming cats over soldiers, owanda ngifile. Fusaki, onenkinga kavele obaliswa namandla. Abonisa ulunga lelo